Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Selena Gomez inspired makeup tutorial, and oh my god, I'm so in love with the way it has turned out. It is a combination of super dramatic eyeliner and bronzed up face, and it was so much fun to recreate this. I tried creating my own version which is more suitable to my face. I'm gonna insert her picture right here so that you guys can see what I'm going for. If you're new here, I want to tell you that I upload makeup tutorials every week. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I recreate this look, then please keep watching. For priming today, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Base Magique. This is a pore filling primer and I'm using it on my nose, chin and forehead. This is gonna smoothen out the textured areas, and whatever is left on my fingers, I'm applying it on the rest of my face. I'm using Makeup Studio's Face Set Cream to prime my lid. I'm placing it on my eyes and then blending it with an angled brush. And for setting it, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. For my eyeliner today, I'm using Maybelline Gel Liner and taking an angled brush to draw the liner. I first draw a guideline from the outer corner of my eye, and then I draw it little longer than the usual. Then I'm stroking the liner from my inner corner to the end of the guideline. Now, although I'm drawing the same liner as hers, it looks slightly dissimilar because of my natural eye contour. I have hooded eyes if you haven't already noticed, and that makes this liner look different on my face. Then for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. I'm applying it over my face with a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in shade NC35. And this is my favorite concealer, and I'm placing it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my lips, chin and on my forehead. To set the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder on that damp beauty sponge. Also, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the same powder with a large powder brush. I have powdered my whole face because her face was matte to the point that there was no shine and dewiness. Then I'm gonna use the same powder brush to brush off the excess. For doing my brows, I'm using Pack Eyebrow Cake. I'm gonna use the first two shades and I'm using the brush which comes along with the palette. I'm mapping my brows in the direction of hair growth, and to set the brows in place, I'm using NYX Eyebrow Mascara. I have done my brows quite prominent today because I feel with such dramatic eyes, dark big brows balance the look more. Now I'm gonna apply a fine line in my lower lash line with the same eyeliner and angled brush. Also, I'm gonna apply a black kajal in my waterline from Nykaa to intensify the look more. And the black kajal which I'm using today is I Am Bold from Nykaa. For mascara, I'm gonna use Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara and applying it on my top and bottom lashes. Then to contour, I'm using Pro Highlight and Contour Palette from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm packing that on the hollows of my cheeks, on my nose and jawline. And to blend out everything, I'm using a duo fiber brush. Moving on to the lips, I'm first lining my lips with the nude brown lip liner. Then for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick from MAC. To finish off the look, I'm gonna spray my whole face with MAC Fix Plus. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.